You're all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
So we left Germany, nearly went into Switzerland by mistake, and we've come to this place, Banans, on the way down to Annecy where we're going. And it's a cracker. The other side of this bridge is a big lake. I'm sure we'll get around there with the dogs, take them for a stroll. Just here, just getting set up. Looks quite new. Nice level tarmac. Nice bit of grass in front of us. Lecky if you want it. All the standard service area. Sun's out. It's lovely. Absolutely lovely. There's your Lecky. But you scan your card. How much it charges you? We'll have to have a look into that. The farms in the background. There was a cow just out here just now. Fantastic drive here from Bad Sackingen. There you go. That's all auto. Scan your card and away you go. €2 for water. Oh, if you want service and electricity, €5 and 60 cents tax. Nice. Apart from that, it's free. Quality. Up these little steps. Town's just up there. There's the lake. There's a guy fishing over there. There are ruins here, some old house. And old tiles still on the entrance. And nice. Ah, that's one of the trails for the dragon. Hey. Three spaces. Wonder if anyone will join us tonight, or whether we'll have it to ourselves. We shall see. There's the wine going down.
Going down. Very nicely.
Good. So now we know what this was. I've had a little look around, read the signs, all in French. Used the old Google Lens. Other translating apps are available. So gives it away with the millstone. This was the house of the village mill for ages. There was a huge tower just the other side. This was the actual house itself, the mill, and the water would run through, and the mill wasn't here at the time, it was the millstone anyway, be over there. So the water would come in, turn and grind down the grain. Grain goes in the top, falls through, gets ground between two of these huge millstones. Yeah, now we know where we are. And unfortunately in 1995 there's a huge fire, burnt the place down. They never rebuilt it, never restored it, and now they've allocated it to the motorhome community. which is really good. It is really, really nice. So, thanks to the community. And also, kebab house, mobile kebab house. Saves on the cooking tonight, I guess. So, I've had a nice relaxing few hours actually. Sat out in the sun. Lisa's still there obviously, sun worshipper, joined by a lovely old French boy. He's got a lovely little girl Alsatian, there she is, with him. Yeah, now stuff cooking again tonight. Thought I'd give Lisa a night off. Gonna get the old kebab, which is here. Quite convenient. So we shall order our food and sit down and manger. I think we're going to have a peaceful night. See how we go. Bonsoir.
20h30. Je vous écoute.
Busy with the takeaways. It's the kebab du village.
Oui.
There was a restaurant just up here. Restaurant and bar, but it's shut down. So obviously this guy is on a win-win. There's nothing around here at all. Really is nothing. So let's get on, order our food and get on with it. So the two Turkish fellas up there, or French Turkish, but they're originally from Turkey. They've looked tough. They've done all right. Smashed it up already, so you know, here's what it is. Bosh. Bosh, 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 bosh. Bosh. Enjoy.
Where do you come from?
England.
Yes,
Just outside London, just north of London, just outside. Yeah. Of London, just London.
I know.
Gorgeous.
I know very well.
Oh, okay. Have you travelled?
No, I can't because I have a big rump.
Oh, okay.
I have a big rump,
Oh,
and
you can't do the paperwork to get through.
but I was trucker.
Okay.
I was trucker. I have friends in Huddersfield,
Huddersfield. Okay, yeah, the north. That's near Leeds. Yeah, yeah.
but I have all England
Friends. What friends that you've met here? Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Very good.
So
Much
we
better
have
than my French.
Before it was
we have water. We have Lisa. We have Jean-Pierre.
Jean-Pierre.
We have the Ricard, the pastis. We have Suze. And we have Salute. So it's all good.